Hi and welcome back. This is video number 4 out of 4 videos that I have done for you, where I take you through the culture matrix process. And in the first video, we looked at how to do a great survey with your team to get a little bit of a culture pulse check to see where you're at in terms of your culture and how you can do things better. In the second video, we have looked at how to create your team principles, your behaviors, your non-behaviors aligned with your brand strategy. In the third video, we looked at the culture book, how to create a culture book, and I also showed you our own. And now we're going to look at how to roll out the culture book and your culture principles across the business. And you can see all the links also below the video, so you can jump back into any of the videos if you want to watch the other ones if you haven't seen them yet. So now in the last part, it's all about activating your culture code, your principles, your behaviors, your culture book across the business, because there's no point in having an amazing culture book and principles if you don't use them. Now, there are a few things you can do. You can activate this through team sessions, whether they are done virtually or in person, where you launch the culture book and you talk about it. You maybe have some awards. You get people to interact with each other, displaying the principles. You can also do regular awards. We did the unicorn award for a while, where every quarter somebody in the team got a unicorn award. We sent them a unicorn crown for displaying our values the most in the last quarter. So you can do awards, you can do celebrations. One other thing, actually 2 more things I'd like to share with you. One is appoint a team happiness rockstar. In your team, even if it's a small team, you can appoint someone who is the guardian of your culture, who makes sure the culture is aligned, people are happy, they're displaying the principles and behaviors. So that's one thing you can do. They can also organize some of the cultural events and the celebrations that you do. And the last thing is something that we do here at Basic Bananas, and it's been really great to do in our team meetings. We do a monthly team meeting with the whole team from all around the world, so it's a Zoom meeting. And we start the meeting with our purpose first. So we quickly talk about the purpose in the business, just to remind ourselves what the purpose is. And then we finish the meeting with our values. We have five values. You can see them on our website. And we finish the meeting with every team member picking one of the values for the next 30 days and letting us know why they have picked this value. So for example, I might say I'm going to pick for the next 30 days the value of making positive ripple effects, and the reason why is because I'm working on a few philanthropic initiatives. And then we go around the room, the virtual room, and everybody picks a value. And it's a great exercise because it again keeps people reminded of our values and how we show up, and also it keeps everybody aligned and motivated. And we just did a team meeting yesterday, and we filmed a little bit of that interaction for you, so you can see behind the screen of how we went about it with some of the team on a smaller team meeting, and we'll show you right now. So I'm picking our value of ripple effects.
Just positive ripple effects.
Ripple effects.
Mine would be infinite growth.
Infinite growth.
Realness, keeping it real and focus on stuff that truly matters.
I stick with simplification.
For me, it's simplification as well.
I choose playfulness.
Playfulness as well.
Cool, that's so awesome.
One big clap for all of us.
I hope you like this little behind the scenes into one of our team meetings and how we do this in action. And as always, if you have any questions, if you would love to know more about how you can join our community of business owners, reach out. We love hearing from you. Our purpose here at Basic Bananas is to help business owners succeed. And the more people we can support, the more we're living our purpose and our values. So as always, thank you so much for being here. If you know anyone else who would benefit from our content, whether it's here on our videos on YouTube, or also we have a podcast, please share it with them too. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to share more goodness with you in the next few months, weeks, years. Thanks so much. Bye for now.